Okay, good afternoon and welcome to the stream. This is the second stream I have on this new project I have, and it's the first English speaking stream. I'm a little bit still in between if I want to have like mainly like English or Finnish streams. Maybe we'll see which gets more views and whatever, but yeah, here's about the project that I'm doing now. Yeah, so this kind of carbon taxation simulator, you can read about it there. And yeah, it's gonna be this kind of 6-month project, and yeah, it's kind of like a dream project for me in a sense that I've been like wanting to do this for a long time, and I did do like a few years ago a little bit of kind of like groundwork to this in some sense. Like I did this kind of like dashboard simulator for carbon budgets and what kind of emission reductions we would need to achieve those carbon reduction, like those carbon budgets. So what this is basically the code for the old project here on the left, but it doesn't work anymore for some reason, and I think like maybe one reason it doesn't work is that this United Nations population projection data thing doesn't work anymore, and yeah, so that's what I gonna want to, and I need that for my new project as well, this United Nations population projection. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna like try to do today, is that I like to get the data to work, and yeah, let's see. So if I just try to run this here, I get kind of like a semi-error message. I get this kind of weird thing that doesn't really make any sense. So I think I'll have to. So it's been a few years since I tried to do this, so I think I'll have to like just go look for the data again in the United Nations website, and I took like a quick glance here yesterday, and it didn't seem very like intuitive on where to find this. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna find some like, here they have like this is just like, this is not projection data here, this is just like kind of like existing data, and this is also like on existing population, I think. So I wonder if it could be here, like but this has been like interesting, this United Nations population thing. Like they've been I think there was like this year they had a new kind of like publication where they estimated that it's gonna be 2084 that the world population is gonna start to decline. So that was kind of interesting. Like I think before that, like the last predictions, they kind of estimated that it would be around after year 2100 or something. So it's kind of like gotten better in that sense if you think about in kind of like this sustainability perspective. Probabilistic projections, I think it could be here. Fertility, life expectancy, mortality. This is also interesting stuff to have here, like this and of course like this life expectancy, fertility, mortalities are also use to estimate this. Okay, here we have it. Like I think this is the, you can see the top is here around like 2084. So I think this is the latest. So now where do we get this in like machine readable form? That's another question. So interesting kind of like this intervals. It's kind of like yeah. I'm just thinking like, are these intervals, should I consider them like narrow or wide? And I cannot really, like 95%. Yeah, it's quite wide for, like, in my opinion. Like it's quite like there's quite a high probability that we are still on like a increasing curve in the year 2100, and like increasing by a lot. So yeah, these are not very accurate. I wonder if I would also want to have here like if I would want to have, let's see, I have in Finnish here probably like I want to make some notes here. Let's see. I wonder if it's here. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, this I'm gonna make an English section here to start writing in English here. So we have population projections, median projection, also I wonder if I would then want to have how do you call this, 80%. Yeah, because this could also be, this quite significant actually because this affects a lot on what's gonna be like this per capita effect. I could also like have, I could also show carbon tax intervals based on population intervals. So there could be this selection that you have that you can choose. So you could choose like you could put on like this kind of thing that you see what's, so because there's gonna be like one number for the one graph for the carbon tax per based on your selections, but there could be this that you can see, you can try like different kind of like scenarios. Yeah. But yeah, I cannot see here any, I cannot see any I cannot see any way to download the data. So world, do they have here? Yeah, they have for countries as well. I'm gonna check Finland just for interest. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna quite definitely gonna go down. Well, there's quite a lot of, no. Okay, but let's go back and see if we have if we can find any Excels here. No, I think this is just like this is not gonna be that. Okay, standard projections. No. Okay, I don't think that's, no, I don't want that. Okay. Life tables. Yeah, maybe something like this here. Standard blah blah blah. I wonder why it's in. Does it have to be like zip file? Population on July, blah blah blah. Constant fertility. Yeah, I think this could be it. But let's see. I'm also gonna. I'll need like the current population from some source, but yeah, life tables. Person years lived. Number of person, number of deaths. Central death rate. Yeah, I don't think that's other scenarios. Indicator reference. I think this might be like some kind of like a meta file on what they have here. Yeah, but I think we have to go up to here. Let's download this one. Let's see what's inside first. And so okay, I'm gonna unzip it here. Go like that. And it's quite a large data file. It's 200 megabytes. Oh, it's gonna take a while to load. Like what do they have that there is that so much data? But it says here like, okay, yeah, the zip file is of course it's a lot smaller. But what do they have there that's like 200? Kind of like curious what takes so much space there, and I hope I'm not gonna crash anything while I do this. Data could not be loaded. Okay, this is not fun. Maximum number of rows per siege was exceeded. Okay, we get some. I wonder if this is gonna be like quite problematic when we try to get this into R as well. So parent ID, location. I wonder if this is like how similar this is to. Let's get this one here. For this one, location is world. Like, is it the similar? Yeah, here we have also like location world, like one. So I think what we need to do is like remember how to handle the zip files, but I don't. I'm gonna start another R to look through some codes, but I'm not really. Okay, but let's see, like, I wonder they have like here, yeah, they have all the countries here, so maybe that's why it's taking so many rows. So, gonna look here first if I have something about those zip files, like, okay, here we have like an unzip thing here, so let's try this one now. I think it's probably gonna take some time to get this. So yeah, so we get here, we get the address, we copy the link here, and this is the link for the zip file. And now we see, yeah. So we're gonna replace this one. Let's try this. But yeah, I'm kind of scared that if this file is somehow like too big or something, like what are we gonna do? I'm gonna leave this on for now, and we're gonna, let's try and do this. So it's downloading, and that's a good sign for now. Okay, so I think we got it here. So so I think what we have to do now is we have to put the name of the file here for the unzip. So it has to be the name of so let's see, properties here. No. Let's try. So maybe that's, yeah, maybe this is the name of the file now. So we have this here, and we put it in this place, and I think this is this actually like Excel file now? Yeah, I know it's CSV, so okay, so let's see. Yeah, I'm okay. Okay, it did the thing, I think. So now we put here again too many quotation marks. So let's see what this is. So now we have data. We should have a okay. So we have 700,000 rows here of data. Okay, that looks pretty good actually for now. I think, like, so yeah, the world here. Let's make it a little bit. So now we just use location is world. And yeah, I think this is going like a lot better than I expected now. So so let's use like this. We have another do we have like a time still? Okay, we don't have actually like a. We should have like we should make the first row here to be the. Oh. So we should yeah, before we go there we have to have like a. So how did you get so we should, let's try something like this now. So we have the data table and let's see, yeah, we should put this one here. So we take out the first row basically. No, no, this doesn't work. I did this. Where did I did this? Like first row. Okay, let's just Google it. Our first row as headers. Names. Okay, I think this is gonna be it. I wonder if this. Okay. Names data is data first. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna take this. And we're gonna take this out. Just like making it's confused. We're gonna leave these addresses here. So we're gonna remember. And now we take the data again and let's see. Okay, yeah, okay. We still want to remove the we still want to remove the first row here after that. But now we have those as kind of like the headers here. Yeah, you can see. So we go here. Okay, and now after that, do we have the? We're gonna check like what kind of. Do they have the same? Yeah, they have the time here. Mid period. Okay, there's also like different projections for male and female population. That's pretty interesting. So location ID. So what's the difference here then? Like age. Okay, they have different age groups they have here. Like, yeah, I can see how this data gets so big in the end. Like there's all this. Okay, we're gonna have it as like that and down. So location is world and we have the year from now we have like 2022 to 2100 and we have variant, yeah, that's medium, and then we have other we want the pop total and we want year. Okay, maybe for now we only want just these things. Oh, maybe also the like I think in the data before there wasn't this age group selection, so we want to rid of this. So we want Oh, but these are 100 plus 0. Like what? How do we get the total group? Oh, like these are all just like these are. Like we could calculate it, of course, but it would be so much easier if there was like do they have here? Let's try this unique pop red. I wonder if this is the correct command, but and what's the for the age group? Age group start, age group span, age group. Okay. Okay, there's something, there's like this one here. Like it doesn't have anything, but I don't think that's it's pretty weird. Like okay, I'm gonna check also here. Like yeah, they only have like one. They only have one sheet here. That's also weird. But I'm gonna try this. Let's see if there's anything there if you select age group is like that. Or is it just gonna be an empty table after this? It's yeah, it's taking a while. Like it's 700,000 rows to go through. So yeah, this is always gonna okay. Fail to allocate gradics count. Okay, let's try here. Like let's have a like age group is 1. Actually, let's first go so that we have we only have the let's make this smaller first. So we only have medium variant. We don't care about this stuff now, and we are not gonna just take these ones. So let's go like this first. And I'm gonna save this stuff. Put this in my kind of like a. Okay, I had it there. No problem. Of course. So no. So what's the thing here? Why isn't it doing anything? Like it's we have a data table here. Error in fail to allocate gradics counts. Oh, well, maybe now the size is getting to be an issue. Oh yeah. Can you double check that v1 is a factor? Cannot. Oh. I shouldn't be so out of memory either. I wonder what this is. Like I do notice that like the Chrome is taking like more than 2 gigabytes of my memory, even though I only have like two tabs open. Can I shut down some? Yeah, I don't think this really does. Yeah, probably a lot larger issue here. I'm gonna shut down the other RStudio. Yeah, I wonder if there's a way to make this. Okay, let's see here. Like, I think this one worked, where I took out some of the data, some of the rows. So maybe if I take out like a lot of the rows in the bottom of the data, because we only need basically like first X rows here or something. So so I'm gonna try this one. So maybe also like, I wonder if the data frame is somehow easier to handle. So let's try to have like minus 100. Okay, actually it's a lot. Let's go like minus 20,000 to minus 720,000. So let's try to remove those rows from the data. I think it should work like this. Okay, now we have like a lot smaller data, and we still have like the world here. So okay, so now let's try to do this again. No. I'm gonna go like very small. I'm gonna go like 5,000. We're only gonna like leave like, is this, yeah, we're gonna leave like, okay. Okay. Like this shouldn't be like a memory thing anymore. Like 7,000 observations is like nothing. But I wonder if it could be that. Okay, let's see. Do I still have? Like I wonder if I have some like large data sets here in the like maybe those data sets that I've been using are gonna like still, I don't know, in the are like a memory or something. Well, if I look at like my like task manager, their R is only taking like 400 megabytes, and I'm also looking at my hard disk. There's quite a lot of space left there. I don't really see what's the issue here. I wonder if it's easier or harder if we remove some of these no. Ooh. But I'm not really sure, of course, that if this is a memory issue or is this something else. Could this be something else as well? But I think like all of these Stack Overflow things, they are I wonder if this is R at all anymore. No. I wonder if this, yeah, I don't know about this factor thing. So we have, yeah, I'll have characters here. Can you check that if it's not, that look greatly. We won. But if I try to change this, maybe if I try to change these as factors, this, okay, let's just try. I don't know how it would help, but just at this point, like, willing to try anything and whatever. So portrait location. Okay, we managed to do that, but let's see. Oh, interesting. Okay, this might be. Okay, let's see. So we went from. Okay, we managed to take out some. This might be working. So do we go until 2100 here? We go. Okay. It stops at 2071. Does it? How many rows is this? It's. Oh, it stops at. I think we might have taken out too much. So let's see. See like this. So. Okay. Like that. Like I'm just thinking like why. Okay, now we have a bit below 8,000. So let's see now if we have. Do we go until 2100 here? Yeah. Okay. Okay, I think this is. Maybe this is what we're supposed to get. So what do we need from here? We need location. Maybe we don't need location anymore. I wonder if the location, could it be used like somewhere when we have those national emissions and when we calculate like paths for national emissions in the future. Maybe not. Okay. So let's make some more thinning here. Okay, so maybe we can just I'm gonna try this now. So I'm gonna see if this doesn't what? Oh, okay. Okay, the age group thing is what messes it up. Let's see here. Okay, somehow this changing the the location to factor, somehow it kind of like makes all the difference. I don't get it, but whatever. Oh yeah, we're gonna need some more. We're gonna need the age group variable here, and what other variables are we gonna need? Population total, we don't need the gender specific populations. Yeah, I think that's all we need, those three. Okay, we take out this one, and okay, now we have to form like a sum variable of those. So let's see. So no, let's go like this. So let's have like, just have like pop sum of pop totals. So pop totals are by age group, so I'm gonna have the sum, and we're gonna have those by year. So now it's gonna go through all years, and it's gonna sum the like the populations from all age groups together, I think. Let's see. Oh, I think the year. I don't think this. Oh, pop total. Okay. So go like that. Okay, so this should now be the sum. So we have in 2022. What the heck? Is this like, should this be like, this should be a lot more. Let's see. 100. Maybe this is probably like I'm guessing that this is thousands and not like so, or that you have to like multiply this by 1,000. So it would make sense that we have like almost 8 billion people. I think this might be beginning of year, because I think like world population should be over, okay, 7 point now. Okay, yeah, I'm pretty sure that this I just have to multiply it by 1,000, so that's fine. So I'm gonna do that right now, I think. Okay, actually there's I could also think about having the population as like in millions. I think that would make sense also. Maybe I'm just gonna keep it as it is now. So yeah, so now we have that thing. So let's see how we did this in the old code here. I'm gonna leave that on now. So Yeah. Actually, did I just like, there wasn't anything more. Pop is population total. Let's see where how it's used here. Okay, it's here. Pop is population. So I just have it here as a kind of like a vector for some reason. So year goes. Okay, yeah, this makes sense. So I could do it like this. Let's just have yeah, maybe I just go with this one. But right away I also think that I have to save this. I think I have to go like I have here. Let's see. I have this population file here. I think I'll have to make this here into kind of like a separate code that I kind of like only run once, and then I have I do this very rarely, but I think I really have to do this now because I don't want it to be so that like everyone would have to, you know, like download the data from UN website every time they every time that they want to use the code. So I have to do it so that there's like there's gonna be this data file in the server where I have the codes as well, and the data file is gonna contain this yeah. Now I wonder, like, because I do so rarely, I save data as CSV. Yeah, it's right CSV. But to export the data frame, row names is false. Okay, let's try this. So we are here, so it's gonna be right. So and but if we leave out the address, it's gonna go to my kind of like my home folder, I think. Let's see, row names. Okay, let's try this one. Let's see where it goes. Okay, it's where it should be. So So now we have the code that we read it in. So read.csv, we have audio. What if we just leave out all of this stuff? Header is true. Okay, we're gonna keep that. Strings as factor. Okay, let's just try this one. And so pop2, yeah. So it looks to be as it was. Okay, yeah, one thing that we have to do here is we need lots we don't need all of this data anymore, we need just a little bit of it. So we have age group is 0. And we have a lot smaller, we have like 79. We go like this, and now we have a lot smaller. And also I don't think we need we just need the year and pop. So yeah, okay. Just need these ones. So that. Yeah, now we have a very small data set in the end, and this is like very good for when you think that you want to have this in the server. Yeah, thanks for the comment. Yeah, I believe in this kind of how do you say, data-based politics or whatever. So yeah, now that we have that one, we have the pop2. I'm gonna leave this here. So now we just have to tie it here, like in this. In the old code we have this, so I think I'm gonna keep. So let's just have this pop2 here. And we just like that. And we don't have any of this, like we don't need this stuff, we already did this, so this is gonna also like save processing time in the user end, that we don't have this unnecessary stuff here anymore, that we've gonna like handle it already. Okay, yeah, that should work. So now I'm gonna like try to see if this whole thing works now, but I'm gonna make this now like in the, we should have this thing in the separate script here. So from here until here. So this is something that's gonna be done only once, and it's so this is the population projection, and yeah, so now what the reader or the user, like this is the only thing that's left of that or to the user, like otherwise it would take like multiple minutes to do that part. So okay, let's try to run this, and I'm gonna see what happens. Could not find function. Okay, I'm gonna show you the right hand side now. Okay, let's take out that one. Okay, yeah, so this is where we get the error. Could not find function multi-root. I think I wonder why that is. I would imagine that like sorry. So where's the like what package is this part of, or is it just like a it's a packet called root solve. So let's see, like this is so we should have like root solve on. So let's try again if this was the issue. Object location not found. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. This was not necessary anymore. We only need this one. Object location not found. There's some. Okay, this is. I think the R is crashing now. I think like this has been so annoying lately. Like it's been crashing so easily with you while using Shiny. Even if I don't have lots of any other like processes going on. Do I even have like location here anymore? Anywhere? Like no. Why is it like? What's the obsession with this location now? Like I don't have. What the hell? There is no location. Okay. But yeah, I think I have to terminate this now and start it again because it's gone broken. So let's see. Start again. It's a bit annoying that it kind of like goes okay like that. So we run these first. I'm gonna also like I should take from here. Let's see, root solve. I should have here like all of these packages that I need. I should have them here because this is gonna be in the end like all the packages that are needed. They're gonna have to be in the server side code. Otherwise, you cannot really run this. Okay, and now we go again. Arguments imply different numbers of row 51, 79. So what's this about? Okay, 79 is the, I think that's the number of rows that we have for I think that's the number of rows that we have for the population projection. Oh, I think, okay, 51. What's 51 like long? So let's see. Yeah, this is like 79. Is this year? Is this, it's numeric? Population is numeric. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I'm just thinking like what's like 51 rows long. I think this should also be, oh, what's, it's kind of weird, like what do I have here? What is this population data, and do I use it? Do I use the population data some point? And why do I have, I don't think I use it. I don't think I should. It's kind of weird, this like, why do I have this here? I think in general it's very good that I don't have like at this point anything here that kind of like takes data directly from internet now anymore, because like lots of their services, they have some kind of usage limits that you can, that they notice that like there's so many calls from kind of like the same IP, and then they're gonna like blacklist you somehow or something like that, or give you this kind of like that you cannot download anything anymore for 24 hours or something. So I think that's, I don't have to worry about that thing. And I'm gonna like always a little bit worried, like can they have like such kind of like strict policies that you couldn't use the sites forever or something like that, that they could like permanently ban you from using I don't know. Um, 51. I wonder if that's gonna like some kind of starting. Okay, I'm gonna actually try to run this now. So okay, it might be here, like you see like 2022, let's go like 2021. It started SUS and 2001. Okay. I'm gonna, okay, so yeah, here it starts to work now. Oh no. If you have it exactly 79, it kind of like works as it should. And yeah. And here you're gonna like see the you see okay, it also has this that you can hover, but it doesn't really do much. It shows the values, I think. Yeah. Yeah, it's been 2 years since I did. So this is basically the thing that I did 2 years ago. This kind of like it calculates these emission reduction paths based on the, but it doesn't seem to work. No, look at, okay, I wonder if it's crashed. Okay, it's running again, and we go here. Oh, god damn it, it's crashing again. Why is it so, I wonder why is this shiny so, like, why is it crashing so easily? Is it crashed? Yeah, it's crashed. Yeah, let's go again. I wonder if I need more, do I need more memory or something? Like I have like 16 gigabytes of memory, but of course like I'm not sure if I can like if I'm using it, if I'm using it like correctly now. So I would kind of want to have here have here in the library all of the stuff that is needed now. So we're gonna add this one so that I would, so because it's gonna crash so often now, so and because I'm tired of this crashing, so we are gonna have here all of the packages that we need, so we don't have to run 2 separate codes. We only have to run one, so we need data table. Is the package name like okay, is it just data dot table? Okay. Data table 1.3 using 2 threads. Can you, okay, that's pretty cool. Like, does it mean, okay, it's like it's somehow like now it's like multi-threaded or something. So I wonder if I can have even, yeah, that's pretty cool. Because I think like with, at least with most R commands, they only use like one processor core. So this is pretty cool if there's this like multi-core functionality now. So what other packages do we need? So we have shiny, do we have it? We have ggplot. It's ggplot2 actually, and yeah. Okay, let's try this now. Let's see if we have everything we need. Okay, I think I want to have this one also here for now. Okay, at least we got so far. So there's a thing here that so this is inside the, I wonder if this should be outside here, if this should be like if this should be like inside some kind of like a reactive updating. Yeah. I think for now I should also make maybe carbon budget calculator. Net CO2. So and these are also like old numbers. These are from some of the IPs, on like one of the older IPCC reports. So, and they had a new report this year, and I should update these to match the new one. Certainty to stay. Choose start here and maybe the word choose is kind of unnecessary. Choose the shape of some curve. We have relative and I don't know what's the good word for this kind of when it reduces like 1% per year or something. Like what's the word for it? Like just run it twice here actually. Yeah, this shouldn't be here. I wonder if that's like part of the problem. Why it's crashing so easily. Here there's something weird. Okay, and it's crashing. It crashes again. No. I just wanna. Yeah. Okay, but then you see, then you like it doesn't. Oh, God damn it. It's annoying. But now we only have at least now we can just run here, but I wonder what's the kind of thing that makes it crash? What's kind of like so heavy here that it crashes? Also here like I think this is like could be like a major issue that I have everything here like inside this render plot function. Because then it's kind of like it has to handle. Yeah, I think we have to get rid of that thing, or like so I think we have to start using the reactive val thing. There's some stuff here. Emissions at start. This should also be basically input, but that's kind of like so the budget is chosen. So yeah, I wonder what's this reactive values actually. Is this the better one? Reactive value. New value is value -1. I'm not sure if I've been using this reactive value as it's supposed to be used. Let's see the reactive values. Values is reactive values. Values A. Values B. From within isolate values. I'm gonna take a look at some other code now. Let's see here, reactive. Are we? So reactive values. So this is reactive values. Yeah. Okay. So we have something like this. So we could this here like outside of this render plotting. So I think this would make it make it lighter. I think it could be good to use this RV thing. So I'm gonna make like a make this kind of like copy of this now, just in case everything goes wrong. But so start L start. Do we change these anywhere? Okay. If these are not changed, but this could be. I think this need to make. We need to make these in the future. We need to make these as how you say it, inputs like that can be changed by the user, but maybe not at this point. It's just like this model also takes a little bit of time to do. This could be, I'm just thinking like which of this stuff is gonna be inside some which of this stuff has to be inside a reactive thing and which does not. So we're gonna like this. Let's just yeah, I don't think this really answers the question. Whenever you have a variable that you think is in some sort of state, rather than having some sort of state, rather than just react. Do I have here anything like yeah, I think this is so heavy because it just it runs through this whole thing when anything changes. So yeah, that's a issue here, and that's very heavy. But I think like it's gonna be, it's probably gonna be quite heavy in any case. I also wonder if the plot hover thing is if that's gonna observe events. I don't know if I need this. I think it would also make it quite a bit lighter if there is none of this kind of like hover stuff. Yeah, but all of this stuff as well, we can. I think this stuff can be moved. This is also like this can be moved away here. So this would be at least. I'm just thinking like what stuff to put in the reactive. some sort of state then just reacting to a different value being updated. Yeah, I think that makes sense, like these values. Okay, this is like that. Yeah, and then they're gonna like know that it's a reactive, yeah. Values, reactive values, total is 0. So this variable can be updated in multiple places. Oh yeah, okay, this seems pretty cool. Like this could help with some of my problems that I've had with in these cases where I don't know. But yeah, I think now that we are in the politics whatever Twitch channel, I think I'm gonna maybe try to do like some I'm gonna probably come back. Oops. Come back. Gonna have like a short break soon, and I'm gonna maybe come back for another stream in maybe a little bit like different section. Okay. Okay. I think I'm gonna end this now here, and I'm gonna probably do another stream soon. But yeah, bye now.